So this episode today is about copyright, and for all the DIYers at home or the ones that are crafting and creating and selling on Etsy or other online spaces, this information is for you. And this information is for other business owners also that are wanting to use somebody else's copyright but just don't know how to. So let's get started. If you want to use somebody's copyright, you have to ask for permission. Permission is basically sending them an email or reaching out to them in some form or format to find out if you can use their copyright material. Now, copyright material can be given, they can say, yes, use it, but the best way to actually get proper license to use something is in a written format, because that is the only way you can prove that you have the license to use it or that you own it. So make sure you ask for permission and you have it in a written format with a signature saying that you are being given the license to use this particular XYZ for the purposes that you want to use this XYZ copyright material for. So if you want to use somebody's logo or somebody's book or something like that, like even a caricature or something like that, you need to reach out to them, contact them, send them an email, send them a DM, whatever works for you, and get a written approval to use it and the license to use it in the format that you want to use it. Because if you don't, then you have nothing to prove it. The license hasn't been given to you, it has to be in writing. So make sure you have that. Attribution is not permission. So please remember that. Attribution is not permission. You can have attribution all day long. You can give it in your, Instagram or in your social media, but the reality is that it is not permission. Unfortunately, with today's media and social stuff, we assume that, if we give somebody credit, therefore now it's okay to use it. Now that might be the industry norm to give somebody credit, but the legal norm is not that. The legal norm is going back to step one, asking for approval, and also getting a written permission or license to use it for the purposes that you want to use it with a signed signature that is there.